Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna do a weekend vlog. It is Friday, it is dark and rainy. It has been raining for days here and it's absolutely freezing. So that's why I have that light on in the back too, because it's so dark in here and I needed it to see to work. I put on some self-tanner this morning. So that is why my arm and my hand is a different color than my face. The tanner that I use on my face takes like all day to like develop, but then on my body, I just use the foam. So it's like right away. I look like a thumb, but I decided to do the white strips and then I'm gonna do a face mask after too before I wash my tan off. I still have my tan on. Let me show you guys. It's like, you can't really tell on camera. It's very dark though. The tanner I use, I know I've showed you guys before, but this one's my favorite, the Saint Tropez Extra Dark Foam. This one's the best. I also like Fake Bake. I like this spray and this lotion. This lotion though is like a tanning lotion, so you have to use it with a mitt and it goes on dark. It's not like a gradual lotion. And then for gradual lotion that I do like in between tans, I do the Tan Luxe, the butter. I really like this. It doesn't smell bad and it doesn't like get on things. So I'll do that. I usually actually put that on right after I rinse my tan off, just to like really lock the tan in. I do love self tanner, but the Tan Luxe, the lotion one, I got that on like really sale. So it's really expensive. Normally it's like $90. I got it on HSN on sale for like $30. So that was quite the deal. And then for my face, I forgot to tell you guys that. For my face, I use the Tan Luxe drops. And I use the body ones, I don't use the face ones. So I use the drops, I use the dark one. I just put a couple drops in my moisturizer and put that on. So I have that on right now. So that's like developing. I usually do that when I tan, and then I'll do that throughout the week too, and just do like one drop in my moisturizer. It's really good. It doesn't break me out at all. So I'm going to do the white strips now, and then the last 10 minutes I have them on, I'm gonna put a face mask on, so I'll come back to you guys. But I always use the Vivid Plus No Slip. These are the best ones because they're the ones that just like stick. They're not the jelly ones that like will move around. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm about to put on my face mask. I have a couple ones I have a list because I have the whitening strips in. But I decided to do this one. So it's Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. So this is what it looks like. It says that it is to exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft and radiant. So, sounds good to me. It says to put on for 10 minutes and then rinse off. So, I have 10 minutes left with my white strips. So, I'm gonna put this on and then take my white strips off, rinse my tan off, and rinse this off in the shower. So, let's do that. I don't think I've ever used this one. Maybe once. It's like a lotion kind of texture. It smells good though with the papaya. So that's it. I don't know, it's kind of like a weird face mask texture because it's like a lotion kind of thing. But oh well, we're gonna go for it. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. We went to the gym this morning. I did an upper body day. We had to go pick up Kyle's suit from the dry cleaners and I just showered, put some laundry in, and here we are. I'm going to start some of the meal prep just because we'll have to leave, I don't know, like 4 maybe to get to the wedding. And I'll have to like get ready and stuff before that. I still can't decide what I should wear. I might wear like a long dress and just like a jacket with it, but I don't have like, I don't know, like a nice jacket to go with it. So I don't know, I'll either do that or the long sleeve dress, but it's short. So still undecided on that, but I'm gonna start some of the meal prep now. I haven't even like fully decided what I'm making, so we're gonna figure that out together and I'll show you guys what I end up meal prepping. So I decided to do all of the like quick, easy, like veggies and just like easy meat prep today. And then tomorrow I'll do like the pasta dish that I'm gonna make. I honestly don't know what else I'm making. I didn't really have like a huge plan for the week for meal prep because I didn't feel like it. So I just decided to do like quick, easy stuff. So right now I have some potatoes I cut into like little french fry style. On this sheet, I have green beans, asparagus. I'm still cutting the potatoes. And then over here, I have 93 lean, 7 fat ground turkey. And on top of it, I just put this barbecue seasoning. So I'm going to cook that up, just have that plain with the seasoning, and then make all of these veggies. I think I'm gonna make some rice too, and then I have some chicken in here that I'm gonna make in the air fryer. This stuff is done. I put olive oil, salt, pepper, and onion powder on the asparagus and the green beans. And then I did the same for the potatoes. The only difference is I added a little bit of cayenne pepper to the potatoes also. So the oven just preheated to 375. I'm gonna put all of this stuff in and just keep checking it until it's all cooked. This will probably take a while because I have quite a lot of potatoes on here. I need another like big sheet pan like that, just because I make everything in bulk. So I need another big one. Yeah, ground turkey is done cooking. I added in a ton of this seasoning. It is 0 calories, so I really like load up on it. There you go. If you're watching your sodium, you might not want to add too much. It's 80 milligrams of sodium, but I don't really watch sodium, so I put in a ton of that seasoning. So I'm gonna put that in a container. I still have all of the veggies cooking in there. They're not done yet. I cut up the chicken for the air fryer, and I'm going to add in some olive oil, pink salt, pepper, and some of this Montreal chicken seasoning. And then I'm going to stick it in the air fryer. There's a lot going on now. I'm still meal prepping. I still have the green beans and potatoes in the oven. I'm also making breakfast now, so I have eggs with salt and pepper on them, and then I'm making us a smoothie. So in here I have 1 frozen banana, frozen strawberries, frozen mango, frozen spinach, and then I have 1 scoop of the BOWMAR Pina Colada BCAAs. They're now called the Essentials, but it's the same taste. And then I just use water as my liquid. In the air fryer, that's probably what you guys can hear, it's so loud. I have the chicken cooking still, so it's been in there for like 18 minutes probably. I just use the poultry setting, and then I just have to add thyme because I put a lot of chicken in there. All right, everything for now is done. I have the potatoes here. I just took those out of the oven. The ground turkey with the barbecue seasoning. I got the chicken done out of the air fryer, green beans, and asparagus. I decided to just keep going with meal prepping and get as much done today as possible since we have the wedding tonight. So I'm making the pasta dish. I have chicken already cut up in here with red pesto. So I have that cooking, and then I am going to start boiling this water. The pasta that I'm using today is the Barilla Protein Penne. So I'm gonna put that in and do 1 full box and a half of a box. And then once the chicken's cooked, I'm gonna add in a whole bag of spinach to let that cook. And then once everything is done, that's cooked, pasta's cooked, then I'll add in half of this cream cheese. The cream cheese was all melted into the sauce, and I added in the pasta. So this is what it looks like. This combination of the red pesto and the cream cheese makes the best sauce. I do it all the time. It's really good with chicken sausage too. And then I've also been loving adding in the bag of spinach to the pasta because it's a way to get extra greens in, and you barely taste it in the pasta, especially with like a good sauce. So that's a little trick I've been doing to get some extra veggies in. I just finished doing the laundry, fold everything, put it away, and now I'm going to make calzones. So I actually forgot some of the ingredients at the grocery store, so we're gonna kind of wing it and do it differently than what it was actually supposed to be because I forgot like 2 of the main ingredients. So we're just gonna do our own thing instead and see how it goes. And then once we're done with this, once we eat, then I have to start to get ready for the wedding. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on. So first I just have like pizza crust in a can. We have some sauce and then some fresh mozzarella. This one looks pretty good, but this one keeps opening, so I'm not sure how that one's gonna go because I can't get it to stay. Calzones ended up being a complete fail. I did not wrap them well enough, I guess, and there's just sauce everywhere. It's a mess, but hopefully they are still good. If this wasn't such a disaster and this didn't look like a boat, then I think it would be okay. I just need to work on the calzone wrapping skills, I guess. It's time to get ready. I'm gonna curl my hair, put some makeup on. So I'm just gonna try to do like a darker eye look. We'll see how it goes. I'm no beauty guru. And then I'll curl my hair. I'm watching Say Yes to the Dress while I get ready. So that is, I think, it for the makeup. I just did eyeshadow, a little bit of liquid eyeliner, mascara, my eyebrows, and under eye concealer. I didn't put anything on my face. I do have like breakouts down here, which they're not even breakouts anymore. They're just like scarred from all the breakouts that I had from the mask. But yeah, that is it. I'm gonna curl my hair real quick. Just do like loose curls. And then I still need to decide on a dress. I'm either gonna do my long dress, but it doesn't have sleeves, or my long sleeve dress that is short. My only problem is I don't have like a nice jacket. So that's my problem. I don't know what to do or which outfit to wear. So as you can see, it's so piecey, but I'm gonna leave it like this until we get there, and then I'll run my fingers through it and like brush through it. I might bring a comb too. I did end up just putting some concealer on just in case we take the masks off. Here is the long dress. It just has a slit in the leg, and then it has like a little off the shoulder and then a little spaghetti strap. This is just like a deep V, which I have no boobs, so I can wear as deep of a V as I want. And then it's just like tight. I haven't put on heels yet, but I need to because otherwise it's too long. I have like pinky nude heels, which is what I wore last time because the inside is like pinky nude. So I'll probably just wear literally the same exact outfit that I wore to another wedding when I wore this. So I think I'm gonna stick with this. I just still don't know what to do about the jacket situation. This dress is from Windsor from last year, so I don't know if they still have it, but they probably have one similar. I love it. I'm ready. I have the dress on, I put shoes on, and we have to go now. We are home from the wedding. I took my makeup off already. I got changed back into my comfy clothes. I'm absolutely freezing. We're probably just gonna go to bed now. Maybe watch some more football. Football is still on, so watch football, go to bed, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Kyle and I just went to a diner for breakfast. You guys saw I had my greens and collagen this morning, and then we just went and ate. And now I have to go to Target because we need some things, and I want to make the oat balls again, and I need honey and peanut butter because I'm almost out and I don't have enough. I already mixed up like the oats and like the dry ingredients, but then I realized I didn't have enough honey or peanut butter. So I have to go get that stuff, and I want to get more candles too because I've been lighting the candles every day and I'm running out very quickly. So I was going to go to Bath and Body Works. Yeah, that's what it's called. but the mall doesn't open until 12 and I really don't feel like going to the mall because it's crazy. So I'm gonna go to Target. I'll take you guys with me. I just got back from Target. I didn't find any candles in there that I wanted. They didn't really have that many. I feel like everything was kind of like picked over, which the candle section always seems like that in my Target for some reason. But I decided I'm just gonna go to Bath & Body Works. There's one by work, so like where my office is, I can walk to the mall. So there's one in that mall. So I think I'm just gonna try to go tomorrow, since I have to go into the office tomorrow. But figured I would do a little Target haul. Nothing really that interesting, but I love Target. So I got eggs because we just ran out of eggs. I got a new ginormous baking sheet because I was just telling you guys before yesterday that I needed another one of these like huge ones, because I make everything in bulk, so it's really good for if I'm making like a lot of chicken or a lot of veggies. So I got a second one because I feel like I always tend to need one. And then I got some more honey bunches of oat because we're almost out and we go through cereal like crazy. I got more olive oil spray. I use that on our pans. I got some more gummy vitamins. Everyone always asks me which vitamins I take. I always take a gummy multivitamin because for some reason, if I take the like pill form, I take it in the morning when I first wake up, like really early, and the only thing I have in the morning is my rice cake with peanut butter. So I get really nauseous with like the pill version, but the gummy version I don't, and they just taste good. So this is what I take for my multivitamin. Really nothing special, you can get it anywhere. I also got some vitamin D3 since it's like cold and rainy now and I'm not getting any sun, and I tend to get in a down mood in like the winter months. So I got that to see if that helps. I got some makeup remover wipes to take off my mascara and stuff every day. I got this huge command hook because I always put my bag under this like island spot in our counter, but there's like a little hangover. So I want to hang that up so that I can hook my bag on it so my bag isn't like on the ground. I also got the Smart Sweets peach rings. I hear amazing things about Smart Sweets and I've just never tried them, but I feel like everyone and their mother talks about them. So I figured I would try them. They're at the checkout. So I got the peach ring ones because everyone says that they're really good. So maybe I'll do a taste test in this video and let you guys know how they are. And then last bag, I got a lot of like food items. I got more oats because I'm making these oat balls a lot and I ran out of oats today. I got more honey for the oat balls and I got more peanut butter for the oat balls. Peanut butter that I put on like my rice cakes and like English muffins and stuff, I always do Jif peanut butter. I'm like a strictly Jif peanut butter gal. But since this is going in the oat balls, I just got the like Good and Gather Target kind, and I just got the natural kind because it's a little like smoother to mix in the oats. And then last thing, I got vanilla bean brulee coffee grounds for our cold brew maker. And that is it. Yeah, that's all I got. So